How to get ISO 3834 certification in India. If you need ISO 3834 certification for welding quality systems in India, you've come to the right place. We'll provide you with ISO 3834 certification for your welding quality system. We are providing ISO 3834 certification services in India, the Middle East, and European countries. If you are interested in the same, please feel free to contact Mr. Puneet Sharma. To obtain ISO 3834 certification in India, an organization must follow these steps. 1. Understand the requirements of ISO 3834. The first step is to gain a clear understanding of the requirements of the ISO 3834 standard. The standard outlines the quality management system requirements for welding, and it is important to ensure that your organization meets these requirements. 2. Develop a quality management system, QMS. Develop a QMS that meets the requirements of ISO 3834. This system should include policies, procedures, and guidelines for welding quality management. 3. Implement the QMS. Implement the QMS throughout the organization, ensuring that all personnel is trained on the requirements of the system. 4. Conduct an internal audit. Conduct an internal audit to identify any areas of non-compliance with the standard and take corrective action where necessary. 5. Select a certification body. Select a certification body that is accredited by the relevant national accreditation body, such as NABC or NIB, to perform the ISO 3834 certification audit. 6. Schedule the certification audit. Schedule the certification audit with the certification body. The audit will involve a review of the organization's documentation and an on-site assessment to determine compliance with the standard. 7. Correct any non-conformities. If any non-conformities are identified during the audit, take corrective action to address them. 8. Obtain certification. If the organization meets the requirements of the standard, the certification body will issue an ISO 3834 certification. 9. Maintain certification. Maintain the ISO 3834 certification through ongoing compliance with the standard and regular surveillance audits by the certification body. By following these steps, an organization can obtain ISO 3834 certification in India and demonstrate its commitment to welding quality management. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you have any requirement for ISO 3834 certification, please feel free to contact us.